Yes, Lord.
Receive it, Lord. Receive it, Lord. Lord, you're good.
Stop holding me. Stop ritenendo
to that testimony.
naquele testemunho.
That's 42 years old.
De 42 anos.
Hey.
I want to give you a new one.
Diga do nada testemunho novo.
I want a new
Ele
testimony.
disse um testemunho novo.
I need a new testimony.
E nós temos testemunho novo.
It ain't just good enough that he brought me out of the crack house. It ain't just good enough that he pulled me out of a prison cell. It's not just good enough that he pulled me out of prostitution. But he's done something new in my life. He brought me out the crack house, but he's launched me into nations. I said he's launched me into nations. You gotta want something different. You gotta want something. You gotta want something different. Even when you get up, y'all got the same old routine. The devil know your every move. Pray at the same time.
Come on. Oh,
You gotta confuse your man. You gotta get to a point where he don't know what your next move is gonna be. Somebody shout, a new thing. New thing. By the time I get back home, a new thing. By the time I get back